Okay. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, Abhishek.
So, hey guys, hope I'm welcome to our B2B series. So this is session 4. Okay. So in this session, we will discuss about checkout and place order in the Salesforce B2B. And in previously, we talk about the introduction of the Commerce Cloud in the Salesforce, and we also discuss about setup of consumers, B2B store, and buyers. And then we also we were discuss about the brief difference between B2B Aura versus B2B LWR. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the checkout and the place order. Okay, so my name is Abhishek Bisht and I am a senior Salesforce developer at Cloudnology. During my Salesforce journey, I worked on various cloud, and the Commerce Cloud is one of them. So I have good hands-on experience in B2B, Lex, and LWR. And this is the LinkedIn URL. If you have any query in the B2B and community in any Salesforce stuff, so you can connect with me. Okay. So we have WhatsApp group also, Salesforce admin group Noida. So you can guys take a screenshot of this slide and you can scan. So you can become a member of our group. So we post some knowledgeable things regarding the Salesforce, and we have also a YouTube channel with the same name, and we already published the CPQs entire series. So if you want to learn CPQ series, so you can guys check that YouTube channel, and also we are updating our B2B videos. Okay. So today's agenda is very clear. So we need to the place order anyhow. Okay. So so today's agendas are introduction to checkout page, key component of the checkout page, and setup shipping calculation and the place order. So we will discuss each and every one uh, briefly. Okay. So introduction in the checkout page. So this page serve as the final step for the customers to complete their purchases. It's where they provide the crucial information like billing, shipping details, select payment method, and review their order summary. Okay, so I already create one diagram for you guys for better understanding. So if you guys see, there is some blocks. Okay, so in inventory, you can guys uh, take example. Let's suppose we have a business who's storing their quantity in the external system. Okay, and when the consumer is purchasing something, let's suppose consumer purchase 5 books. Okay, and in the external system they have only one book, so it is a conflict. Okay, so it will show the error message, the out of stock, because what we are purchasing is greater than what we have in the store. Okay, warehouse. So that's why, and this is a inbuilt feature of the Salesforce. So we need to just integrate with the external system only. So after the inventory, there is a pricing, calculation. So in this, we are also showing the validation with respect to the price. So it is very similar to the inventory. We are storing the pricing in the external system, and then we are validating and storing the error message and the validate message. Okay. Then shipping method. So shipping method is required for the placing the order. Okay. If we go to the standard way, so we will discuss in the next slide about this block. After that, the tax. Okay. So whatever we are selecting the shipping method, so tax will be changed appropriately with respect to the what we are selecting the shipping method. Okay, then payment will come. So in this section, Salesforce allow you to integrate the various payment methods. Even you can use Stripe, you can use CyberSource. But in our series, in upcoming series, we will go with this type payment. Okay, so but you guys can also indicate with the cyber source also. Then the place order after the payment. So in this block, we are generating the order summary especially. Okay, when we talk about the checkout and the place order, so basically we are talking about the order summary in the Salesforce. So in the end, we are generating the order summary. Okay, so there is some key component of the checkout page. So first one, the billing information. Okay, so customer their billing details such as name, address, and contact information. This section is customizable, allow business to capture specific data tailored to their needs. And in this billing information, we are storing those addresses in the contact point address. There is a standard Salesforce object, and even in the shipping information, we all are doing the same. Okay, we are storing those data in the contact point address, but shipping information is required than other process because in the end we are creating the order summary, right? So for order summary we need the delivery method, and in the delivery method we need the shipping address. So that's why shipping is required, and that's why we are talking so much in upcoming slide about the shippings. And payment method, yeah, you can guys use different type of payments like credit card, debit card, invoice, purchase order, whatever. Okay, and you can guys implement your custom logic also. You can use the split payment and other payment gateway you can guys use. Okay, Salesforce allow every payment method, so you can guys use. Then order summary. So order summary contains the consumer information and the order information. So it contains the delivery method, it contains the payment information, it contains the consumer information and amount, tax, or everything we can check in the order summary. So today's session I will show you the order summary when we are placing the order. Okay. So yeah, so let's talk about the set up the shipping calculation. So, why we are discussing this shipping calculation? Because let's suppose there is some external system, and let's suppose there is a business who they have some delivery method. Let's suppose we have a ship this product to 7 business day, and we are charging $10. There is a different delivery method. Say mm, uh, ship this product in 24 hours and charging $50. So these are the required thing in the Commerce Cloud. So we need to follow those things, and we will see how we can set up and customize these things in today's sessions. Okay. So I just create one data model for you guys for better understanding how to set up the shipping calculation and other integrations also into our checkout page. Okay, so as you can see, you have some network and this store. So network is all about your community cloud. Okay, this is your community, and this is the store, and how we are integrating with the web store network. Okay, then you already know about the store catalog and catalog. We already discussed in the second session. So if you want more details, so you can guys check that video on the YouTube. Okay, and we have the integration services. So this is Apex class and this is external service. Okay, so we are integrating with the external system. Okay, so we need to register those classes into our store, but we cannot directly do so. Okay, so first we need to register our external service. Then we have some various type of store integration services like inventory, pricing, tax, and shipping. So with help of store integration service and with help of register external service, we are integrating our Apex class to the store, which is calculating in the runtime what is the shipping and what is the tax going on. Okay, dynamically. And if I talk about the payment gateway and the payment gateway provider, we will see this in upcoming sessions. The detailed information about the payments. Okay, so this is the overview of the data model. Okay, Now let's go to the Salesforce. And also in our previous session, we are not able to show the product. So now today we will do this first, the pending task of the session 2. So then only step is missing. We have the buyer group. We are in the entitlement policy. Okay. So we need to assign product in the entitlement policy. Okay. Let me select any of them. And we need to rebuild the index because we change in the product and buyer. So we need to do the rebuild index. Okay. Meanwhile, I will log in with the user when the rebuilding index is going on. Let me go to the contact. So this is the user and this is. So a bit rebuilt index is going on. So that's why we're not able to see the product in the site. So when this complete, then we will able to see the product. Then we will proceed further. Okay. So meanwhile, I will show you some data model, which I already said this one. Okay. So how we can set up these things? Okay, store integration service, register external service. So you guys can also do with the data loader, but in this session I will use some Apex classes to store this. So I take a reference from this B2B developer guide. Okay, so how we can register our custom B2B checkout integrations. Okay, so register your Apex class, how we register. Okay, so you guys take a code snippet from here and copy paste in your developer console. So I already do this. Okay, but you guys can do. This is the link. Okay, and also you guys need to use this shipping calculation class also, the commerce extensibility, and in this you will see the lot of classes over there. There is a tax class, there is a shipping class what we are using today, pricing, checkout. Okay, so you can guys use promotion is also there. Okay, so I'm using this code snippet. I already put this code snippet into my developer console. Okay, so let's wait for some few minutes. If you guys any query till now, you can ping in the chat. Camera is not good. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment till now.
Yeah, Abhishek, you can continue. I will check. Okay, if any question from anyone, so I can just let you know.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kishan. So we need to wait, but uh, yeah, we need to little wait. So any questions, guys? Uh, in the B2B, any slide, you can guys ping in the chat. Okay.
So Abhishek, we have a one question over there. Can you explain the code snippet you copied? What is the purpose of that class?
Okay. So I already told this is the data model. Okay. And we need to store our integration to our B2B site, right? So for that, we need to do some FS classes to configure to storing these FS classes to store. Okay, so let me show you where we are storing. So this is rebuilt index, and let me go to the store. Okay, so now open group, and this is the administrator, as you can see. So this is the where we are showing our classes, and we are storing those classes there. These are the custom providers. Now the shipment is there, the cart and checkout is there. So we are using the cart checkout today. Okay. And these other things we will discuss in upcoming sessions. So how we can integrate if I select the provider. Okay, we are not able to select any of the FS class because we're not still configure those FS class here, right? Similarly to the other things also, tags we have in tags we are still not able to do to select any of the Apex class. So how we can do, right? So for this, let me go to the developer console. So this is the shipping class. Okay. So in this shipping class, you can integrate with your third party. Okay, and hit the third party system and take the response and manipulate the data according to this class. Okay, and I already create one FS class. Okay, for this setup. So you need to write the web store name. Okay, so let me write the web store name here. So you need to do to put some queries like name from web store. This is the admin group. This is you need to paste there. Okay, and this is your FS class name. Okay, so my FS class name is shipping cart calculation sample. So I already put. Okay, and this is the registered dev name. Whatever this is the label basically. Okay, so you can store the admin delivery. Okay, and basically we are storing and we are inserting the external service. Okay, I already tell you in this slide here the register external services. With the help of this we can store our FS class to our store. Okay, into the store integration services here. Okay, okay, let me see. So whenever you change any product, so it takes some time to rebuild the index. Okay, so yeah, so you can guys check this FS class. Okay, more. So it's all up to your business what they want. Okay, what they have some logic and whatever integration they are using. So you can guys use in this class. Okay.
Yeah, Abhishek. Okay. So I think that is clear for the Apex class, and we have one more question from Neeraj. So he's curious to know about what are the best practice for setting up shipping rates and career details in Salesforce.
Okay. Uh, Very curious to know about what the best practice for setting up the shipping rate and carrier details in the Salesforce. So ship method. So I prefer the two with the standard way. Do not create this any custom components. Use this class only. Okay, and it's depends on your business requirement, what they are using, what they have the database. Okay, then you need to put their logic into this class. Okay, even shipping, even everything in tax and inventory also, you need to follow the same thing. Okay. Okay.
So basically, this is the all we are following for the best practice.
Yes, in the B2B, correct.
Okay. Uh, so I hope Neeraj, you are clear now. If anything else, so you can ping more. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now rebuild index is done. Okay, and then we will able to see our product here. Okay, let me go. Yeah, coffee
Yeah,
beans.
sorry, Abhishek, sorry to interrupt. Again, we have one question from Saidullah. Uh, it's if shipping method we want to get it from multiple external systems, how we are going to achieve this use case?
Again, you need to do the same, put the same logic into this class. Okay, so whatever the logic you are using, so you need to hit integration. Okay, into this class only, because we cannot able to store multiple FS classes into these services. Okay, so you need to put your logic, entire logic into this single class and then assign. Okay, you cannot assign multiple providers there. Okay, so now uh, we have the product. Let me click on it. Okay, and as you can see, this is the Salesforce standard page, product detail page, and we have the standard buttons over there. So when I click on the add to cart, it will show the pop-up message. Okay, view cart and continue shopping. So I will click on the view cart and it will show some summary about our product. Okay, so here is the summary of the product. Okay, so when I click on the checkout, it will show me the error. Okay, because we are not set up any contact point addresses. Okay, if I click on the checkout page, so it should show some error message. Okay, so we cannot proceed with the checkout because there is no safe shipping address and you don't have necessary buyer permission to add on. Okay, so for this one, we need to go to the account of this user. Okay, let me go to the user first. We have the contact point address as you can see in the account section. We need to create new for this. And if you should put any name, let me put admin meta. Address type is shipping. Let me put as default here. Let me put any street one city. Let's suppose, let me put my city, Ghaziabad, 5 state UP. IN. Okay, let me save this. So now we created one contact point address inside the account. Let me go to the site again. Let me click on the checkout. Now, as you can see, the our contact point address is there. Let me put any of the number. Okay, and if I select on this, so there is no shipping method. Okay, and so this is how we need to integrate our integration class there. So let me go to the shipping. Okay, so now we need to run this class twice. Okay, this one, the process register, I already created. This one. I think there's something wrong with integrity. App's class register missing. Make sure we are storing this class. Acha, okay, so I think there is a developer name. Here I am getting the error. Okay, developer name. Okay, let me save this again and try. Okay, now the class will be found, as you can see, inserted. Let me hit twice again. Make sure this class is present. Nice, the class is found now, and we are able to select this shipping provider. Okay, now as you can see, guys, we are able to see admin delivery. Okay, our FS class. So let me click on the next button, confirm this, and we are able to integrate this one. Okay, taking some time because it's reflecting. Let me refresh this page. Okay, it's there. Now again, let's go back to the cart. Okay, and click on the checkout, selecting this. And as you can see, guys, for sample, delivery method 1 and 2 is coming. Okay, we are not integrated the tags, we not integrated the inventory and pricing, so we will do in the upcoming sessions, but for today we are only do for the delivery methods only. Okay, so and payment also we will do in the upcoming session. So now just I'm just putting the order number at 7 here. Okay, and placing this order. So now order is placed, as you can guys see, and let it show in the order summary. So after click on your avatar, you will see the order history. Okay, this is our order. I already copy paste this. So as you can see, guys, so if you click on this, you'll guys see entire details of about this order. So the end user can track their order. Okay. So what delivery method we are using, what shipping cost it taking place, and the tax amount, the shipping, the total. Okay. So this is it, and this is how we set up. So similarly, we need to do for the same for all other integration classes. Okay, inventory and pricing. Okay, we do the follow the same process. Okay, and then finally we will see the order summary in the Salesforce how it is look like, and you are able to place the order. Okay, so let me go to the Salesforce. Okay, okay, just let me go to here. We will see the order summary. So guys, as you can see, we have a order summary, this code, and this is the total amount, and it's contain the shipping delivery method. Okay, and this is our product. This is shipping address. We are not integrating any payment, so there is empty in this section, as you can guys see. Okay, so this is the delivery charges, and this is the actual product charges. Okay, and we are, if you sum those things, so it will 29.98. Okay, this is the billing address, every details. Okay, whatever you are creating the order. So basically in the end we need to create the order summary. Okay, in the Salesforce ecosystem here. So yeah, so this is it, and thank you so much. If you have any queries, so please let me know. You guys can ping in the chat if you have any query in this session.
So we have covered all our agenda for this session, right?
Correct, correct. We
For the
covered.
checkout and okay.
Yeah,
So, guys,
thank,
any question regarding the checkout and place order?
thank you, Sai. Thank you. It's quite motivating for us. Any question, guys? Uh, for this session, why we are using the shipping method, why it is required. I already mentioned, but if you have any queries, so please put in the chat.
Yeah, let's wait couple of more minutes. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Chandra. So you can guys follow the CPQ series. We have a YouTube channel, Salesforce admin group. So we already published the CPQ entire CPQ series. So if you want to learn CPQ from the scratch to advance, so you guys follow that YouTube channel. Okay. And also we are updating our B2B videos also. So this is the fourth session. Okay, and my first. So three session I think already there in that YouTube channel. So you guys can check our previous one. We discuss detail about the B2B cloud. And in upcoming session, we will see some other integrations like inventory and pricing. Let's see. So any questions, guys? Channel. So you can search as Node admin group, Chandra, if you want. Node admin group is the channel. Okay, so you can check. Or Kishan, you can put the link.
Yeah, sure. And I think it is on the admin group page, right? So, Chandra, if you're not